The Meizu 22 will come with a 6.32-inch display, a size the brand describes as a golden balance between compact form factor and immersive viewing. It is powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 platform with special tuning for gaming stability. The Meizu 22 is equipped with a 50-megapixel OmniVision OV50D camera on the front. On the rear, it houses a triple lens configuration made up of an OIS-enabled 50-megapixel OmniVision OV50H main sensor, a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 periscope telephoto camera with OIS support, and a 50-megapixel OmniVision OV50D ultra-wide lens. On the software side, AI imaging tools such as one-click filter extraction allow users to generate distinctive visual effects instantly. Meizu has paid particular attention to the physical design of the Meizu 22. It weighs 190 grams and has a slim 8.15mm profile with a width of 71mm that is intended to provide comfortable handling. The front features a 2.5D slightly curved display, while the rear has a 3D curved back for a balanced in-hand feel. The device also introduces an innovative floating back cover and an entirely symmetrical layout with 0.8mm uniform bezels. Notably, it is the only flagship to sport a white bezel panel, giving it a distinct appearance compared to its rivals. The phone is slim, uniform bezels, a flat display, and a smaller than usual punch hole cutout for the front camera. On the back, it sports a triple camera setup housed in a square module positioned at the top left corner. The handset is to pack a 5,500 mAh battery as well. Meizu highlights its AI-driven one-mind optimization engines, TUV Rhineland 72-month fluency certification, and game smoothness S-grade recognition, all promising reliable performance for long-term usage. In addition, the phone carries a 4,500 square millimeter vapor chamber cooling system, which is one of the largest for its size category, ensuring consistent efficiency during demanding tasks. Meizu has officially revealed that its next generation flagship smartphone, the Meizu 22, will debut in China on September 15th.